Hi, in this video, I would like to sculpting the block of the back legs here. And to this, I'm going to make this, I will do the same process that I made the front legs using the hard clay trim and the movie brushes and the movie brush. And if I need to use another kind of brushes here, but this is just to be a block stage, right? So let's begin. So here the side view, I'm going to choose here the move brush and try to make just some arrangements here to the pelvic area, down just a little bit here. And now I'm going to select the high-grade clay drum and start the process to make the legs here. So this will be the block stage, right? So nothing to worry about the details. And put the clay in the to grow here. And take care to not make wrong decisions here, which probably I have already done here. But when I have the legs in the right place, the leg here, the back leg in the right place, I can make some adjustments. I'm just reinforcing my key bone here, and from here I'm going to put some clay here. I'm going to change the move brush and make some adjustments here. So this area here is the knee area that I'm try to make here the right angles here. And from this I can grow here. And let me prepare it just a little bit better. Okay, return to the hard clay trim. I can try to make this a little bit rounder. Here, of course, this is a leg, so this helps me a lot here to visualize. Right, so put here just this cube to represent, to make the knee area here, more or less. And now I can grow this and make the tibia and the fibula bones. And now with this, I can choose the move brush and push this geometry more or less in place. At the same time, when I push this, I make this backward, because the rhino is, the legs is a little bit inclined and tilt to inside, and here I'm going to make some adjustments. It's coming along. Good. Put this here. The knee area. Right. So now that I have this, I'm going to more or less work in the calcaneal bone here. And instead to push with the brush, the move brush, I'm going to choose again, select again my high-grade clay dream, because I made this because it's easier to push some geometry instead to push all the geometry using the move brush. When I have this, make my process, make the brush, the move brush easier to push this geometry here. And at the same time that I make this, it's, for me, it's better because at the same time I try to put to the right angles or silhouettes. I can push even more, or sorry, I can add play here more, and now I can, if it is new geometry here, I can change it to the move brush, and now I can drag, push out this geometry which represents the metatarsus, metacarpus, oh sorry, metatarsus, the tarsus, metatarsus, and the phalanges. Again, open this. It will be the foot area here. And again, this will be just the blocking stage of this leg here. Here, the calcaneal area have to make adjustments here. Have to push this a little bit back, and this area here I have to make these curves with the move brush and try to make the tibia with the calcaneum a little bit tilt to inside. And at the same time, I have to make this leg a little bit wider. And for this, after let me put here more or less, I think I'm in the right place. Semi ground at the same ground area, same level, I think. So here, I'm going to put here more to inside it. I think this is good. And as I said before, I'm going to use the expand brush, which I'll select here, and use this expand to grow just a dot here and make this back leg wider. This is great to expand the volume. I know that it's too much, but it's better that I have too much geometry to work than to a thinner geometry. And have to take care about this brush, because when you inflate or expand the polygons, this will be goes to inflate the area around and make some problems. But with just a little bit, we can make this wider. To this part here, to the leg, when I'm going to represent the toes after, but now I have to work and prepare this area first and make some silhouettes here, some curves, right? This part I'm going to push the knee area to outside. This the block stayed, that's good. I'm going to change here again to the high-grade clay trim, and here I'm just make some carving around the foot area, because I'll make this metatarsals and tarsals here in this area here, just carving a little bit. And here just make the silhouettes here. Here is the calcaneus. I will refine just a little bit here to know where the bones are. Right. And I think this area needs to be moved side to make this curve a little bit better. And when you compare the front leg with the back legs is, for me, it seems thinner than the front legs. The back legs is thinner than the front legs. And here I'm going to select again the High God Clay Dream. This brush is very good to me because I'm using a lot this at the block stage, and I can see the bone structures, or better say, construct the bone structures. Right. So just put the knee area, and here the tibia. I will make the passage of the fibula bone here.